I think that making a song is kind of like cooking. We all generally have access to the same ingredients, and then we're just kind of stealing recipes and making them our own. It's kind of funny. No one gets mad when someone opens a new Italian restaurant and starts serving spaghetti and meatballs, even though it's been done a million times. But in music, for some reason, people get really bent out of shape when you start recreating popular dishes. So let's steal some recipes and cook something up.
As soon as I wake up, I gotta roll me one.
And then the rest of it, I think, is just staying in the kitchen and continuing to work on your craft until you become the Iron Chef.
As soon as I wake up, I gotta roll me one. I'm in a dark place, but I don't give a f. I called you late at night, I think I messed it up. Don't wanna bring you down, I'm sorry. I've been drinking alone too much, smoking